Hi everybody, it's Mila Rose and I'm back for our second account update. So doing my budget for my additional account that I have. And so if you are interested in budgeting videos and designing the life that you love, go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in a little bit to get started. Alrighty everyone, here we go. So paycheck date is going to be February 15th. And our expenses, I had to change this one too. I don't know if you all watched my other video, but I've been having a moment with my accounts because I was not doing the right numbers, not doing the right amounts. So here we go. Car payment that I make every month. I've been paying extra. I'm doubling my efforts now. So $604. Car wash is $15. Now, if you recall last month, I just kind of left it at, I kind of left it at that, I believe. But I need to put car savings as well. That's $35. And then I have my annual payments. That's $40. So it needs to go in its own separate section. HBO Max is $16. And then we have debt. So we're paying again, adding more, $457. And then cushion gets $10. Oops. And stars, because I switched out from having Kindle Unlimited to stars now because they had a deal, and that's $1. And that's everything. Now my budget is actually the way it's supposed to be, because I was like, why am I running out of money? Why do I have more coming out than what I have actually going in? Well, I had to fix it because it was not correct. So I should probably do my beginning balances, but I'll add that in later because I do like to kind of track and see how much I'm adding and to see what my cushion goals are, because I like to have a cushion for these areas. And this needs to be changed to annual cost. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's go ahead and let's update our debt. So I pulled out this sheet. Why I don't ever actually have things the way it's supposed to be done, I don't know. So for January, we had amount owed was $11,695.73. So far, we made one payment of $738, which left us with $10,957.73. We have made some additional payments in that time. Let me go figure out where they are so we can write them in. Just a second. Okay, as it turns out, there really isn't any payment update to make because I'll be waiting for all of this to clear. And so we can write out what we're going to have at least to start. So we have February, amount owed equals and then we're going to make that payment of at least the $604. And then we'll have additional payments to add to that. And then once I have that all filled out, then I'll be able to update you on what's left over to be owed at the end of the month. So that's where we are with that. And one thing we can do at least, which will be kind of nice, we'll update our trackers real quick. If I can figure out where they are. There we go. Okay, so, that's savings stuff. Here we go, debt. All right. Haven't filled these in at all. So I have 3 of them, and I'll be updating this since I'm going to start working on student loans. So we're going to call this one student loans. I have many student loans, and then I have some student loans that are split up. So I will put their actual, you know, like the little numbers or whatever on the side of them. And then that way we can start tracking those. But I'll fill those in a little bit. I have to figure out what colors I want to use for these. I think I'm going to use the blues, like kind of what they look like now. Let me go get those. All right, let's see how I feel about it. I'm going to try out this lighter blue. I'm using the Sharpie liquid highlighters, and I'm going to use this green to go in the middle one, but we won't be needing this one yet. So let's see. We are working our way down from this one. So we started at 12 and now we're ending this month at 10,957. So we just hit 10. So I'll just do this top section real quick. And then I'll do the 12. Ooh, this one's juicy. And then next month we'll fill in the 10. Because I'd like to do when I'm actually out of those numbers and not when I get into them. Since these are in $1,000. So we've got that one filled out. And then we can do my total debt, which has a lot of updating that needs to be done actually. And so I put out some numbers here. Started at 33,000 and now we're at a little under 10. So we need the blue. Oh, I have the blue right here looking at me. Is that right? Then the dark blue, then the purple. Yeah, okay. So this blue, and we get to go, I would say probably right here. So don't know if I like doing it this way. I think I've usually done it, but I can't. It's hard to see. Okay, there we go. And that's done. And I need to put in, because this is exactly 7, and I'm doing the rainbow colors because I like it. It's like the chakras. So I need to fill in the, I think I'll do 2 blue since it's 8 instead of the 7. So I'll do the free and the green section is done. And then we're almost there. So we're making progress. Yay! Everything's slowly climbing up. And then once we fill this all out, we will be done with all of our consumer debt. So I will add the the student loan debt in a little bit. And if you all are interested, let me know and I'll share that as well. It's quite a journey there. But that's going to be it. Go ahead and let me know how things are going with you and your debt journey. Let me know what progress you've made. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.